know that special moment when you realize that even the wildest dreams are possible? When inspiration kicks in, adrenaline rushes through your fingers, and work suddenly becomes fun. To give you this unbelievable experience, we're introducing the next generation theme. Say hello to Newspaper 9. With this simplified WordPress interaction, you have the power to design everything in a way that has never been possible before. For the first time, building your website becomes almost effortless. With Newspaper 9, you can tell your stories in the desired form without touching a single line of code. Now it's easy to look like a professional right from the start. Explore dozens of beautiful demos and load your favorite one in a heartbeat. We've carefully designed unique full demo websites ready to satisfy even your most exquisite tastes. Take your website to a whole new level. The innovative Tag Div Cloud Library helps you imprint a personal touch on your website design. This is the new technology that gives you access to a huge collection of ready-to-use templates and elements. Just drag, drop, and shape the new layouts to perfection. This unique flexibility makes you more productive, guaranteeing absolutely stunning results. With Newspaper 9, efficiency is the name of the game. We are significantly cutting the development time so you can share the story with the world in real time. You don't need a web developer to create a highly engaging website, nor a designer to make a stand. With Newspaper, everything is possible as you can now tweak every aspect. The results you get are extraordinary, and the performance is incomparable. Everything you need to create a news magazine website is already here. Have fun mixing elegant designs, intelligent ads, and trend-setting multi-purpose elements. Refined and improved in over 5 years of continuous development, Newspaper combines clean coding with the mobile-friendly capabilities like responsive, Retina, and AMP-ready layouts to give you the ultimate experience. What are you waiting for? Join the new generation of news websites with the best theme we have ever built.